We are at 701 Brickell Avenue, main lobby of the building.
This is the perfect place to connect, have a cup of coffee, and network.
My favorite area is the wall stone because of the technicality and the fact that we were building this massive wall stone on a functional lobby.
One of the hardest scope that we've actually worked on, the three-form resin lighting. If you walk into the space during the holidays, they change the colors.
Throughout the pandemic, it was very difficult to procure all the materials that we needed. Working in an active building was definitely a challenge.
We had to make sure the space was cleared for the tenants to utilize while we were working around them. It wasn't just a clear construction site. In terms of cleaning, making sure the space was free of debris, there were no nails on the floor, there were no tripping hazards. So it was not an easy project. It was very complicated, but that is what we do and that's what we're best at.
One of the unusual things that we needed to do for this project was work overnight. All the work was done after hours.
Even though the pandemic was challenging for us, I believe our partners did a great job.
Seeing this project completed, it just gives you a sense of pride, an enormous sense of pride on our team, on our company, on all the work that we have put into this. It feels great.